So here I have a very simple diagram which I'm going to explain in a second. But before we can upload this small program to the PLC, I just want you to be reminded about the error that might happen when we want to make sure that the system communication link is configured properly. When we come here and by clicking on this one here, we will see all the active kits IPs here, and by mistake I put the 145 number, and that's why I was getting some errors. You probably noticed in my previous video, but then I corrected and I put the local number, which is 147. Be reminded that the very first numbers are telling where the IP address is, and the last numbers here are telling which one in the lab actually you want to communicate with. So in this case the correct number is 147, and this number after configuration should come on the screen here. Now I go back by pressing escape, and then when I come down, there is this one here, it says advanced setting. When I go inside, there is this Ethernet configuration, and here you see the IP address. It has 147. Do you see the number? And then the rest. This number should match this number here, and also this number here. Just be reminded for that. If any small mistake by I just said I mistakenly put number 5 here instead of 7, that's why I was getting error. Now I should be able to actually communicate with the kit. For testing, I'm just going to test my small diagram here. This one is for verifying it. When you click on that, it verifies. And here, when it says no error found, your program is ready to be compiled or downloaded. There is another one here which verifies the project. And then again, when you see that there is no error found, so you're ready to download that. At this corner, you see it says offline. That is the processor condition status. Now when you click on the download, you should be able to download your program on the PLC over there. Now there is one error here, and for finding out what is wrong, I should check the communication again and who active. Did you see which one I clicked? Communication, who active, go online. Now I'm checking if I'm again not connecting to this one but this one, and that fixed the problem. Now I'm online. That means that the program that I have here is actually on the kit, but I put some rough numbers here. Do you see? I have used this component. This shape is for input and this shape is for the output. I select them from here, but the number that I am putting here right now, I put some rough numbers, but for accurate designing you should find out which number, which bit address is connected to which component on the kit. Your first assignment for your first lab in Automation Lab will be to complete a table that has all the bit numbers and all the components of this kit. Now I'm going to tell you how you're going to do that. In next video I explain it.